Okay, so apparently Litchi put a new version out today or yesterday. I don't remember which one it was. Sometime within the last couple of days, they put out a new version, and it allows for a second screen. So I've got my handy dandy assistant here, Nathan. Say hi, Nathan.
Hi, Nathan.
And so it allows for a second screen, not only just for regular viewing, but for FPV as well. And I just so happen to have two headsets. So first of all, we're going to try to see if it even works with the second thing, because there's a slight possibility that since I have the Phantom 3 standard, that it might not work. So we try, and if it works, we'll go into the headsets. So in just a second, what you're going to need to do is pop out of that. All right. In just a second, it should allow you to connect. We're both connected now. So go back to the Litchi app. Maybe it requires that it be up in the air. So let us get it up in the air. Take off. See anything on yours?
No.
Alright, so unfortunately it looks like it doesn't work with Phantom 3 standard, which is what I was afraid of. But we can still have fun flying and getting some awesome sunset pictures with all these pretty clouds. And actually I'm recording on here since I took off. I forgot it does that automatically. Oh, wait a minute. How are you doing? Here, get that. So there was another setting up here.
Hey.
Woohoo! Look, it works. There was another setting that I had to do. Okay, it works. And now we're going to go this way. Alright, so this got to be centered. Close that up, put it on. Mine slides into a tray. And mine's controlling the head tracking. Oh, I gotta take off my glasses. So you're a visual observer now, Michelle.
Okay.
Alright. So what do you see, Nathan? You see the sunset? Wait a minute. It's not turning when I turn my head. It's going down and up. Let me readjust this. Head tracking, immersive. Uh-oh. Please switch to, it is in FPV mode. Exit. Oh. FPV. That. That. Oh. Why isn't it doing this? Immersive. Aha! Can you still see it, Nathan?
Yeah.
Alright. Now I can look down I can look to the side, and that's controlling the camera going up and down, and the drone panning left and right, the whole drone. That's cool.
So Nathan can only observe.
You can only observe. Turn your head and put it up and down and stuff, and nothing's happening for me. So you're just an observer at this point. But that's pretty daggone cool. I hear an airplane. Is it?
Don't go up any higher. It's fairly low for an airplane, but you would have had to have been up another 200 feet to get close to it.
Okay. Right now I'm only up like 44 feet.
Yeah.
So Nathan, how does that feel on your head and face?
Super comfortable.
It's comfortable?
Yeah.
Is it sharp and clear? Can you see the picture okay?
Yeah, it's perfectly clear.
Nice. Did you have to adjust the knobs on the side for focus?
No,
Okay.
not really.
Wait a minute. Turn around. Nathan?
What?
Turn the side to side. Okay, that was weird.
Why?
Well, I wasn't moving and it panned from side to side.
Oh.
I feel like I'm very tall.
Yeah.
Shows the altitude, the distance, the speed, the number of GPS satellites we're connected to, and the battery percentage.
Oh, that's cool.
At least that's what I see on mine.
Yeah, that's what I see.
Wait, how was Nathan seeing it?
Look.
An update.
Whoa, is there a phone in there?
Yep, Mom's phone is in there.
Ah. But you can't look two different directions.
Oh, it's so different.
No, you're just seeing what
Oh, I'm just
seeing.
seeing. Oh, okay. That's cool.
It's a little weird standing up and doing this.
Oh, right.
It is a little laggy sometimes on the side to side.
Just a little bit.
So I'm curious how it looks, because I have the iPhone 6 Plus and Mom's phone is the 6S.
You want to switch?
Yeah, let's switch real quick. See how it looks, if it looks any different.
Oh, that's super blurry.
Oh, yours is super blurry.
Can I adjust it on this?
Go ahead.
Alright.
Oh. Yeah, this isn't bad, but it doesn't seem as clear as the one with my phone in it. And I don't think that's because of Mom's phone. I think it's because the optics in this aren't as good.
It's a lot more laggy on this one.
Well, you're controlling it, so you notice the lag. We only have 47% battery left. Now this one, this headset is more comfortable on the face, I think. And head, it's a little lighter, but it's definitely not in as much focus. At least not for me.
It's like every tiny movement you make it.
Yes, it's almost a little too adjustable. But if you kind of get the feel for it, then you can go forward and back with the controller and do the side to side with your head. Just kind of lean a little bit to one side, lean a little bit to the other side.
Whoa.
Sort of.
That's cool. I didn't notice that.
Or sort of turn your head a little bit and lean to the side. Can't see anything. There we go. Now you can, on this one it has little pads that move front and back and other things that move side to side. It's got the lenses inside can move independently front and back and then side to side so that you can get it lined up on your eyes just right.
Oh, yeah.
So this one, the VRView FX, seems to have better fine-tuning controls and is a little bit sharper. This one, the Utopia 360, only has those little knobs on the side. Oh, and it's got a little dial on top. I've got to try that one out. Okay, so the knob on top adjusts the distance back and forth of the lenses like this. And then the other one does this, which, since they're not independent, you can't get it dialed in just exactly right. I mean, not horrible, but it's not what I'd call crispy sharp. But for the, how much did we pay for this one? Maybe 20?
One of them was 25 and the other was 30.
Okay, so not horrible, but also not really good.
30% battery.
Okay, so I'm going to set this down on my glasses. Take this off of your head. And we're going to...
What the heck? Oh, I'm not even touching it.
Really?
Yeah. It's going everywhere.
Okay, stop. Now, are you doing it now? Okay.
I got it.
So, let's back up and bring it in for landing. You comfortable doing this, or you want me to do it? Okay. It is a little windier than the last time we did it. We're done. Whoop, whoop.